Now that you've finished recording and editing, it's time to export the project as an audio file. Please note that saving a project is not the same as exporting an audio file. You will need to export your audio from Audacity to have an actual audio file, usually in MP3 or WAV format, saved to your computer. Exporting audio in Audacity is a pretty straightforward process. Under the File menu, go to Export. From there you have the option to export as MP3 or WAV. Choose the MP3 format if you want to have a compressed audio file with a smaller file size, or choose the WAV format if you want an uncompressed audio file with a much larger file size. For most cases, MP3 is good enough for podcasts in class. When the Save window pops up, simply pick the location where you want the audio file to be saved and click Save. You can leave the format options at their default settings. You also have the option to export selected audio. This option will let you export only the highlighted regions of your audio tracks. When using this option, you will need to choose the file format after the window pops up and then pick the location and save.